Awesome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is July 11th, 2024, and gold shot up to the moon. A total of 300 pips, 300 plus pips. I actually missed this move, man. Shaking my head. I saw it coming, but I totally missed out. But it's okay. It's okay. At least I didn't lose any profits. Um, but whoever caught this move, let me know in the chat if you guys caught this move. It went crazy for a buy. We had CPI and unemployment claims back to back. It came out lower than expected. It came out lower than expected. And the dollar dropped and gold shot up. Okay, so it's lower than expected. And inflation dropped by 1% as well, 3.0%. Unemployment claims 222. It's lower than expected. And I was thinking that gold was gonna drop and dollar was gonna go up, but it did the opposite. So needs is the excuse. He sees all manipulation, even though the numbers dropped, dollar dropped. So this is something that you want to pay attention to. Not always like when the numbers dropped, you know, um, this is actually positive news, because the number of unemployment went from 238 last time to 222 and went from 3.3 to 3.0%. So the numbers dropped, and that indicates that it's the inflation is dropping. It dropped by 1%. Unemployment claims, it decreased, but the dollar in the charts, it dropped. So this is all manipulation. This we have liquidity here, here, and dropped. So this is all playing, go based off technicals. So you gotta pay attention to that because sometimes it can trick you. It's all manipulation. And here, I would have relied on just technicals. Let me see. 630. This is something I'm going to back test for sure. Before news, market went down. I was consolidating. Went down, respected my EMA, and it shot up. Now broke above structure, 2285. We're still in buy mode. It's giving buying signs. So at this point, I'm going to go based off market structure. Could see a pullback before the buy up. I'm waiting for New York Open. We have New York Open in about 15 minutes. So that's why I have this dash line here. Could see a possible retracement to this level, to 2400, or down to 2385. Broke about 2305. 2410. I'm just marking up my key levels here. 2415. Both shot up by a total of 300 pips. When you see a big impulsive move, this is an imbalance. It created an imbalance, so we could see a possible retracement. So when you guys see an impulsive move like this, wait for the pullback. We can see a pullback all the way down for the buy. But it has to fill that gap. This is all liquidity. This is all money. Liquidity, meaning money from all the buy orders. Buys, buys, buys. Has to come back to balance itself before the buy. For those that missed the entry, no worries. I missed it myself, you know. It happened right in front of my eyes. But I remained calm and I did not enter because I knew that, you know, eventually it was going to pull back down. And we also have New York open to look for opportunities. Okay. So don't feel like you're missing out on anything because it happens, you know. There's always another opportunity. It's better to be safe than to lose money. It's something that, you know, instead of like taking a trade, instead of forcing a trade, instead of, you know, instead of entering an impulsive move without first analyzing the market, it's better to keep your account safe. So, you know, it's a lesson. You know, I'm going to backtest this and I'm going to see, okay, what I could have done better. Because you could really capitalize on news. You could really capitalize on news if you know what you're doing. Um, but for my beginners, I highly recommend you don't trade news. Just wait till New York open. You know, backtest, study news, and you know, trade it off your demo account before you go live, and practice trading news. So I highly recommend for beginners to do that, to use your demo account and practice trading news instead of using your live, because I learned the hard way. All right. I used to jump on news with my live account. I ended up blowing my account because I had no idea what I was doing. So it's better to start with a demo account before you go live and really backtest news such as CPI, unemployment claims, Fed rate. Okay, you guys want to make sure you guys practice on demo first before you go live. So that way you guys know what you're doing and you guys can capitalize on it. So the overall direction is still an uptrend according to the 4-hour. Still have that blue market trend arrow right there. Here at the bottom, we have this blue macro trend arrow. Yeah. You have this blue macro trend right here. and then the rest is history. Still on an uptrend. New York open in 10 minutes. So let's see. I'm looking for buys because we're on an uptrend. So I want to go with the trend. You don't want to go against it. Go with the trend. 5 minute. We have that micro pivot line there. And broke above my micro pivot. Broke above. Just waiting for that retest. The buy. Or it could come back down to 2,400 before the buy. But let's see. We have my blue EMA above my red EMA. So that's a buy confirmation. Blue above red. And we have the primary EMA. We have price above my primary EMA. So I'm still in buy mode. We have our current higher high at 2450. Up here. This is our current higher high, 2450. So I've been telling you guys, we're going to hit 2,500. 2,500 is going to be the new all-time high for gold. Right now, it's 2,450. So with this news, it definitely pushed price to the upside. And, we're in position. We're in position and we could see gold shooting to the upside. I don't know when it's going to hit above 2,450. It could happen. It could happen this week. It could happen, with this news this morning, definitely push price to the upside. We have PPI tomorrow. So we have another big event tomorrow, PPI. So we could see price shooting up, surpassing the current all-time high, which is 2,450. So we could see gold shooting up. Or it may shoot down. Who knows? Market will do whatever it wants to do. So it can either push price to the upside and then resist. It could shoot price up and then come back down. We also have Fed rate at the end of the month, on the 31st. So we could see a possible retracement before the buy to 24 to 2,500. And that would be the new all-time high. Let's just know that our current all-time high right now is at 2,450. And it could hit that level this week, next week. So all we can do is monitor charts here and just go based off market structure. So we have about 5 minutes till New York Open. Gold is still shooting up. I do want to see a pullback for the buy. So let's be patient here. Let me know in the chat if you guys have any questions on anything. Yeah, just watch too for me. I have bad experience with me, so that's during times like this. Yeah, Alex, that's a good idea. Instead, practice on your demo account, back test news and see how the market reacts, how price reacts. It's good to be safe than sorry. It's better to miss out on it's better to miss out on news than to enter a trade and not than to enter a trade not having to go your way, It's better to miss out on a news event than entering a trade and end up being a loss. We do see a break and retest here. See price breaking above this key level. Get back to retest 24.05 and shot up. Break, retest. Now we see that wick. Price is preparing to pull back. See that wick there. It's pushing price down now. Could go to 24.5 or could go to 2400 or it could continue down to the next structure. Price broke above here, came back to retest, shot up. I'm waiting for one more touch and wait for the confirmation candle before the buy. So ahorita está retrasando, está veniendo para atrás. Aquí miras una quebra arriba de mi key level. Regresó Después compró. El Nueva York, la sesión de Nueva York ya va a abrir en menos de un minuto. Y yo creo que toca la zona otra vez aquí para una compra. You have my micro pivot there. New York Open just hit. Let's see. Let's see how price reacts in this zone here. I do want to see a bullish candle before I take any buys. I do want to see a bullish candle here. If it doesn't create that, then the trade is invalid. It may break below structure if it doesn't give me this. Quiero mirar una confirmación de vela aquí en esta zona, a ver cómo el precio reacciona. Si me da una vela azul, puede ser una compra ahí, pero si no, no es válido. Espera por el otro estructura. Total number of pips on my stop loss is 50 pips. For my entry, so right now it's testing my zone there. However, I'm not entering yet. I do want to see a bullish candle. So I'm going to wait for the next 5-minute candle to form. You see how it's reacting there now? You see how it touched my zone and my micro pivot. And now it's reacting there. And give me that wick there. So it's definitely reacting. We also have my micro pivot line there. Still giving me buying confirmations. I want that bullish kind of form. Right now, I'm just being patient with it until I get my confirmations. We do see a lot of price action here. We have price action here. So that's why the price is reacting. So I do want to see a bullish confirmation candle before I take any buys. If it doesn't give me that, then it's no buys. Trade is invalid. If it pushes below, then I'm not taking it. It's still within my zone there. This is where patience comes in. This is where discipline comes in, because you want to go based off market structure and just follow your rules. Are you guys understanding why it's so important to wait for confirmation to line up? I want a bullish candle forming here. Let's see how she treats me. Treat me nice. Been so loyal to you. I've been way too loyal to you. Don't do me like this, daddy. Yo, Cisco, you're hilarious, bro. Oh man. Yeah, you gotta have fun with this sometimes, you know? You gotta entertain. Trading can be boring. You're just looking at it, it's a lot of waiting, a lot of patience. You gotta have fun with trading sometimes, you know? Oh man, it's hilarious. Yeah, I've been way too loyal, man. I've been focusing on her. I haven't been focusing on any other pair, just gold. I've been way too loyal. I didn't cheat on her. I have no side chick or anything. It's only her. It's just gold. She's my main piece, my only piece. Loyal from the start, bet. That is facts. So I'm just being patient with it right now. Now look, it's giving me that bearish candle there. It's looking like it's gonna break below. So it wouldn't be ideal to enter right now. It's looking like it's reversing now. Because we have this imbalance here. So this trade is invalid. You could catch this sell down, but you know, that's violating the rules. You're going against the trend. I don't want to do that. Unless there's a change of direction. You know, if price goes below my EMA, then I'll go from buys to sells. But it's still above my EMA. So I'm not violating my rules. Right now, I was experiencing that pullback. Could see gold coming back down. Just gonna move my zones around here. That's my resistance. I have my resistance there at 2410 area. 24, 2390. Okay, level there. $2,400. It's my next key level. And 2395. Let me see here. Do you want to see? Check the macro fibs. Micro volume. Still blowing there. Okay. Yeah, guys. So right now it's pulling back down. It's liquidating all these buyers. Right now it's liquidating all these buys. That's why it's coming down. We have money here. We have money here. We're approaching the 45-minute mark right now. Let me actually take the fibs. fib retracement from this low to this high. Let's see, 61.8. It's in the middle of this imbalance here, around 2390. So we could see a possible retracement here around 2390. We are confluence traders. I'm a confluence trader. Okay, I want to gather as much evidence before I take any trades, before I execute any trades. You want to gather as much evidence. Just like a doctor, right? Needs to gather as much evidence. You gotta do x-rays, handle paperwork, MRI, get x-rays, gather all these evidence before they perform surgery, right? Same thing as traders. We need as much evidence, as much confirmations before we execute a trade. So right now I'm just gathering as much evidence to see that, because confluence basically means that you want to gather as much confirmations that will line up. See, we just hit the 45-minute mark. The price is still pushing down. Broke below my key level 2400. So ahorita estoy esperando para otra oportunidad. No voy a entrar una compra ahorita porque el precio está bajando y no está respetando aquí. Ahorita todavía estoy en compra porque obviamente miras aquí que el precio está arriba de mi línea azul aquí. Significa que el precio todavía está en compra. Cuando miras que el precio está arriba de mi línea azul, de mi EMA, eso se llama un EMA. EMA es un indicador de del mercado aquí. Significa que el precio todavía está en compra. So ahorita estoy esperando. Aquí es todo paciencia. No quieres comprar ahorita porque el precio está bajando y no me está dando un vela azul. So quiero esperar a ver dónde va a respetar. ¿Qué kilo o qué zona va a respetar? Puede respetar en este o en este. So, pero tenemos mucha acción aquí abajo en esa zona. Era resistencia, después quebró arriba y está ahorita bajando. Que todo esto es liquidez. Todo es liquidez. Todo esto. Todas las compras. Pero está bajando porque todo esto es liquidez. Liquidity. Y aquí tengo mi resistencia aquí arriba. Mi zona de una hora. Resistencia. So let's wait and see. We do have, mark up the fib level again. We do have the fib 61.8 around 2390 area. So it could come back down to fill half of that imbalance. So I could take my zone here. $91 and $89. I mean, I can move this up. This zone here. Actually, 223.80. 2381. 2379. You guys can see there, give me that wick. It is it is testing that 2400 area. This could be a reversal candle. We have the hour coming up in less than 9 minutes. This could be a reversal candle here. This is like a doji candle. I do want to see another bullish candle forming before I look for any opportunity for an entry. But it's definitely testing that zone there, that 2400 area. It's respecting that key level. Oops. If you guys are getting some value, let me know in the chat. If you guys are getting some value, drop a fire emoji, drop a 111. Let me know, let me know, let me know. You guys are getting some value. But right now, it's just testing our patience to see if we see additional confirmations for any buys. Right now, it's looking like it's reversing because it's giving me that reversal candle. Right, it's like a doji candle here. This is a possible confirmation pattern. We have doji candle there. Let's see, we have two bearish. So this could be a bullish. Yeah, it could be what's it called? A dragonfly doji. Yeah. A dragonfly doji. I just need another bullish candle forming there to really confirm it. The most current higher high is 2450. $24.50 is the current higher high. So it just broke above 2400 and it touched 2410, created a resistance up here, and it dropped. So I'm gonna wait until the hour. Okay, I'm not entering a buy right now because I want this bullish candle to complete before I enter anything. This could be a possible reversal to the upside. So I'm gonna wait till the hour. We have 4 minutes until the new hour. Every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, every 45, every hour, price needs to react. So I'm gonna wait until the new hour. Let's see if price will continue to the upside or it will pull back to the downside. I do have my micro pivot line there. My micro pivot line down here. Just breaking above. I do want to see a continuation to the upside when the hour hits. Yeah, when you look at the 4-hour, you see the overall direction. I do want this candle to finish. I don't want to enter during this candle because anything can happen. I don't wait for the completion of this candle before the next one. And then this results as it completes bullish. And that's a reversal candle. We could see a continuation to the upside. So we have about 2 minutes left into this candle. And also for the new hour, this is a reversal pattern. So we could see a potential buy opportunity. We could see a potential buy opportunity here. So 1, 2, 3, risk reward. We have 30 seconds until the new hour. Yeah, this is like a morning star. Not a Morningstar, a Dragonfly Doji. Yeah, Dragonfly Doji. So we have the new hour. Guys, is good for a buy. It finished off as a bullish. We're good for buys here. Make sure you're trading at your own risk. Make sure you have a stop loss set up. Do not trade without a stop loss. Stop loss is 50 pips from your entry. Okay. Take profit 1, 24.10. Or 50 pips above your entry. Trade is active. Let me know if you're in. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Trade is now active. Not over leverage. For those that are in demo, for those that are in beginners, make sure you're using demo. But if you're trading your live account, make sure you have a stop loss and you're not over leveraging. El compra es activo. Activo. Porque tenemos una confirmación aquí de las velas. We have this dragonfly, it's called Dragonfly Doji. This is a confirmation pattern. Gave me this doji here and then 2 bullish candles following that. It's good for a buy. It's a reversal candle. But let me know in chat if you guys are in the trade. The trade is active. Confirmations lined up. My blue EMA is above my red EMA. It broke above my micro pivot line there. I respected my key level there, 2400. Primary EMA price is above my primary EMA. And it's still giving me buying signs here. So this trade is active for a buy. So all confirmations are lining up. So right now, just gotta trust your trade and manage it. But we are active here for a buy. Total of 150 pips. This trade is now active. Let me know in the chat if you guys are in. Make sure you guys are trading at your own risk. Do not over leverage. Dame saber si entrases. Una compra aquí. Drop this in the chat. If you missed the entry, no worries. Just wait for the next one. When it breaks above 24.10, catch your retest for a second entry. If you missed the one around 24.05. Let me know. This trade is now active. It just hit TP, it's about to hit TP1. TP1 24.10, TP2 24.15, TP3 24.20. Price is above my the blue EMA. This blue EMA line is above my red EMA. So that's a buy confirmation. Price is above my primary EMA, this long one up here. Strength arrow is blue, trend arrow is blue. And it gave me this confirmation pattern as well here. This is a Dragonfly Doji. Dragonfly Doji confirmation pattern, which indicates a reversal to the upside for a buy. That's why it's so important to study these candlesticks for potential reversals in the market. But let's go. Estamos activo. La compra es activo. Porque tenemos una confirmación de velas aquí. Y también el precio me están dando confirmaciones aquí. Esta es una confirmación de vela. Se llama Dragonfly Doji. Dragonfly Doji. Es una reversal. Y también el precio está arriba de mi línea azul. Y la línea azul está arriba de mi línea rojo, indicando una compra. Y también todo está azul aquí. So, TP just hit. TP1 just hit, guys. 24.10 was TP1. Make sure you move your stop loss to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade. When you're above 15 pips or more, it's a risk-free trade. Let's go. Drop some money bags in the chat if you guys are in profits right now. But make sure you guys are moving your stop loss to break even when you're 15 pips or more in profit. This is now a risk-free trade. This is now a risk-free trade. Mueve tu stop loss a entrada. Mueve tu stop loss a entrada. Modifícalo. Lo mueves a entrada para que no tienes pierdas. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. Do not be afraid of pullbacks. That is expected as long as you're following proper risk. Pullbacks are normal. It's just corrections, but overall it's a buy. We have these 4 bullish candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're in buy momentum right now. We're in buy mode. Let's go. You see? Patience pays. Patience pays. Drop in the chat. Patience pays. Gotta be patient with this. Patience pays. Paciencia. 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 This is what happens when you say patient. Everything's working in our favor. Everything works in our favor. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. That is normal. It's looking like it's retesting that zone there. We're about to hit the 15-minute mark. Let's look at the 15-minute. The 15-minute kind of so bullish. We're about to hit the 15-minute mark. We have less than 30 seconds until the 15-minute mark. Remember, every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, 45, every hour, price tends to react. We just hit the 15-minute. It's giving me, I retested my zone there. Just be patient here. Trust your trade. TP1 just hit though. That's total 50 pips. Are you guys having fun with this? But let me know if you're in the trade. Let me know. Drop some money bags in the chat. Making money together this morning. All you gotta do is manage your trade throughout the day. This is an intraday. I could hit in 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, but the way this trade is going, it could happen in 30 minutes to an hour. So just manage it. But TP1 just hit. It's on its way to TP2 and TP3. I'm currently in profits. Move your stop loss to break even. It's a risk-free trade. And if it hits your break even, it hits your break even. At least you broke even. You know, you're not going to lose anything. But when it hits your TP2, move your stop loss and take partials. Make sure you guys are taking partials. What functions? What do you mean?
I mean, as I'm trying to set my stop loss and take profit, like I'm having a I'm having a time here. I mean, I have one position open. However, when I try to set the stop loss and the take profit, it's not working. But um I would like to call you on the sidelines if possible.
Yeah. Yeah, Z me on the side.
Okay, because I'm home today, so I'll call you.
All right.
All right, thanks.
Mhm. But yeah, guys, right now we're in this buy and just manage it throughout the day. And I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. But I appreciate you guys for hopping on. Have a blessed, wonderful day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So ahorita compras activo, nomás míralo y nomás asegúrate que estás, you know, siguiendo las instrucciones. Aquí lo voy a terminar. Tengan un buen día. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed day, guys. Let's go. Peace.